First thing, it was a great event, and I really thank AIM for organizing this and make it happen like this. Okay, it is important because and especially after this COVID break, it becomes even more important. That's because women are restricted to home, and the genuine tendency in the society is that women are support functions and they are supposed to stay at home and take care of the home, right? And I believe COVID has helped us in a lot of ways. One way would be it did sensitize the men population, where they could see how women is managing the household work, and they realized, okay, they should be helping them. Okay. Number two, the other side of it is the women who got chance to step out, and the only way they used to socialize by going out, meeting people in the company or across their friend circle, that stopped completely. So events like this is very, very important. One, to give them that kind of exposure, to meet other people, build a network. Okay. Second, they get recognized. See, women need recognition, right? All of us need recognition, but particularly for women, they value recognition only because if you see small cities or small towns, women coming out of those towns, they're not recognized for what they do. So recognition makes a huge difference, and this forum is actually giving that opportunity to those women people. Just not about women, it's about organizations also, right? A lot of these consulting firms, the upcoming firms, we are losing clients just because we do not have right diversity ratio within our organization. There's a certain ratio which we need to maintain for the clients to come to us and give that, kind of a contract. This is one. Second, this is from the organization point of view. Second, it is important because it is okay for us to accept that women will go on leave, women needs maternity leave, and it's okay for women to focus on family. Till the time we have the right representation in the organization from the women population, people won't realize that it's okay to take off. It's okay when people come and say that we need work-life balance, and it's okay we cannot stretch late nights. So this way we are actually improving the overall culture of the organization as well. One is the mindset change for sure. And this mindset change should come for women population more than men population, right? See, whatever we do in organization or whatever happens in the workplace gets impacted by our society, our societal norms, right? So for example, in general, it's a tendency that women need to have a male person in the family to shoulder the financial responsibility, but it's not the other way around. But I don't know why it is that, and that the same mindset is actually also flowing into the organizations as well, that women are not able to get into the leadership positions, right? So I know it's a very broad question, but then I would want to relate this to what is happening in Indian society, or I would say outside India society as well, right? Even if you read books, I've seen my kids' story books, okay? It's all about my mother will cook food for me and my father will take me out for a picnic or for anything, for a fun activity. Why is that? And it's all about mindset, okay? Because the way we bring up the new population, the new generation also, it's with the mindset that women are supposed to stay at home and take care of the house, and men are supposed to go out and take care of house from the outside point of view.